a tree.
It's what?
It's heading for a tree.
It's heading for a tree.
Yeah.
Is he hungry?
Yeah.
He's eating? No, we're not opening that yet because we already fed it.
No, baby.
No, we don't need to use that.
Why?
Don't touch all this. Let me clean it up real quick.
Oh, look, he's eating it.
Is he
He's
eating?
eating?
Yeah. I saw him. And the fish is going, hooray!
He did?
Yeah.
Because they're eating now?
Yeah.
They're all happy?
Yeah. Yeah. Now one is going.
Are they gonna sleep in your room tonight? Yeah. All right.
Are you excited, Ariana?
Yeah, look at the tree. Tree. It's red and green.
It does. Very good.
Yeah, now the fish food.
What color is green in Spanish?
Verde.
And what color is red in Spanish?
Rojo.
What color are your fish?
Americano.
Anaranjado, yes, good girl. Orange, right?
When is the fish that eat the other fish food?
When they get hungry.